Seriously, you're doing some work.
I'm having holiday homework from school, ma'am.
Holiday homeworks. Okay.
So
Well,
busy doing that.
All my holiday homework
what is your holiday homework? Math holiday homework?
Now for that math holiday homework I got is we need to write the table from 2 to 15 one time. Then there are some puzzles, 5 to 10 puzzles that we have to solve.
Very good. Okay. And Soumya, what you are doing, Soumya? Mom is telling, ma'am, I'm busy with Yes, Varshit.
Ma'am, they gave 3 crossword puzzles, ma'am, based on addition, multiplication, subtraction, and division. We need to do that, and they gave a big worksheet, ma'am.
Okay, right.
For me, they gave the perimeter and area tables like that.
Perimeter and the area table, good. And
Ma'am, they gave for first 2 pages they gave puzzles. Then they gave some questions about like our topic was Harita Haram, and the subjects, other subtopics would be there.
Okay.
So we got like how many plants were planted and of like in this certain districts. Like they told to name 6 districts and
lots of work is doing. Very good, Vedanta.
And so they told to draw a bar graph and they told to name all the districts and
we also got like we have to collect the population of at least 20 states and write that in Indian system and international system.
Very good.
Number name.
Very good. Nice work. Good. Same like that I gave for the students. Like I told to collect the phone numbers or mobile numbers of your family members and write it in both the systems.
Ma'am?
Yes, ma'am?
I also got mathematics holiday homework, ma'am.
What is your work, Vinil?
They told that collect the information of any one of the famous mathematician and paste their picture. And they gave 3 options also, ma'am. Aryabhatta, Srinivasa,
Ramanujan. Okay.
And Shakuntala.
Can you give me the permission to change?
Children, one important interesting thing about Shakuntala Devi was a human calculator. Children.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah. That she could calculate very fast.
Ma'am, for like 50 years or 60 years, she was the fastest human calculator.
Exactly.
But
Nana, is it training JB is mentioned here? Who is this child?
Ma'am, this is ma'am. Ma'am, can you give me the permission to change my name?
Okay, no, not an issue. No worry. Okay, I just want who is the child. Okay.
Ma'am, can you give me the permission to change it?
Yes, you can even rename.
No, ma'am, I'm not getting the option to rename. So can you please allow me to?
In this meeting, we can't change the name.
We need to do that in settings.
I think somewhere you can rename. 1 minute, I will.
I mean, security
you need to give
settings we can do.
Ma'am, you need to give permission. Then only I can rename.
Or ma'am, you can click on all participants and change his name.
Yeah, I will.
Okay.
Right. Right, children. Let me go with and Riyansh. What's your holiday work, Riyansh? Riyansh is not sharing. Hariharan, Srihita. Yes, Hariharan.
No. Ma'am, in which school do you teach, ma'am?
My school was in BHL.
Ma'am, name, ma'am.
Part BHL we are working, that's all.
Ma'am, only, right?
Yes.
Near Chandanagar only, right?
Yes, it's near, location is very near to Chandanagar.
Okay.
We'll meet one offline classes in our institute.
Ma'am, I live on the other side of that school, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, children, shall we start the session? 1 minute, children. Let me take the screen so that we can go ahead with our task. This is class 6. Few more students not yet joined. Why? Any difficulty for joining, children, today's class? I can see.
Ma'am, well only.
Children, today we are going with some part of worksheet also, because yesterday what are the things we did about divisibility rules we are discussing. Beyond from divisibility rules, we have some extension part here, common factors, and which is the least common factor. That is one thing. There are different varieties of number of ways to find the common factors. Yes, shall we go with the different methods? We'll discuss those things. And not only that, we have what is the page number? What day I gave you homework, I think from here. Yeah. You see, children, find the common factors of 20 and 28. You know very well how to find factors. Children, do you know how to find factors? Finding factors in different methods. One is prime factorization method and another one is tree method. Which whatever the method you are going to find the factors, children. Both are particularly they mentioned use prime factorization means you have to use only prime factorization, but they did not mention about the part of which way you're supposed to find. Then you can go with your own method, like a tree method. You feel more easy, you can go, or ma'am factorization, prime factorization method, I can feel more easy. Then that's your wish, children. But both the methods you are getting the same answer. You see here, find the common factors. Finding common factors having different methods. Finding common factors have different methods, children. I'm going with first tree method because tree method children love to do.
It's easy, ma'am.
Yeah, it's easy, and tree method we are going. You see, children, 20. There is a number 20, 28, two numbers. For 20, I'm finding, and 28, I'm taking. So tree having branches like that. This number 2 have a branches.
Ma'am, it's divisible
20
by
can be
2.
expressed in 2
2
multiplied
into
with
10.
10.
2
But
Peter.
2 is prime number. I circled the prime numbers, and I
Ma'am,
left
prime numbers should be at the left and the composite number should
10
be
is
at the
composite number. Again, 10 can be expressed as 2 into 5. Now these factors, whatever 2 and 5 are prime numbers, so I can circle. What are the factors for
2 into 5.
2
Ma'am,
into
2 into 2 into 5.
If sometimes they mentioned in exponential form too, you can express in exponential form. Repeated multiplication, you
2
can
to the
write
power of 2 multiplied by
2
5.
square into 5. That is one way, children. This you will learn in your senior classes. Don't worry. But till this next coming to 28 is an even number. It is even divisible with the 2 tables. So I'm taking with the 2. Half of 28 means 14. 14 is a composite number. Again, I can express 14 in terms of 2 and 7 are prime numbers. So what are the factors of 28, children?
2 multiplied by 2 to the power of 2 multiplied by 7 or 2 multiplied by 2 into 7.
Yes. 2 square into 4 or 7 or 2 multiplied 2 times and 7. Now you see, children, these are the factors for 20. These are the factors for 28. Common factors. If you see common factors, what are the common factors? By looking only you can see, children. By looking only common. Common means you see 2 is common here. Here 2 is common. And here again 2 is common. Here again 2 is common. What are common factors right now? 2 into? Yes, what is common factor right now? No, it's not 2. 2 times repeated, right? What are common factors? So suppose children, this is another method. Actually, we are going with finding prime factorization. We are expressing the number into prime factors. So this is another method. But what is the highest common factor you can find easily from this? Which is the highest common factor among these two? No, here 2 is repeated. So here 2 is repeated. So 2 multiplied with 2 times, that's nothing but what is the common factor? Highest common factor was 4. This is GCD, or we can call it as GCD means greatest common divisor, or we can call it as
Ma'am, they both are same only, ma'am.
both are same, Nana. Not factor, these are same. Now, here they're asking about only common factors. They're not asking about highest common factor. How to find common factors? We know very well writing factors, and among that, which are common, we can go like that too, children. Let me take the question here. 20 and 28, highest common factor. If they mentioned, you can go, or else you can go with normal procedure, children, as we did in earlier bits. Just a minute. This is the way of finding highest common factor. But our question was only finding common factors. What are the common factors? One and number itself is a factor to every number. Yes or no? One and number itself is a factor to every number. Now, please, someone mic unmute. Please, there is a lot of disturbance here. In exercise 3.4, first bit, if you see, find common factors of 28. 20, 1 is a factor. We know that 1 is factor for every number. Yes, 2 is a factor. Why? Because it is divisible with the 2 table. Then 3 is not a factor, so we no need of writing. Yes, 4 5s are 20, 4 is a factor. 5 is a factor. Then 6 no, 7 no, 8 no, 10 is a factor. Once half of that number you are getting means next factor is the number itself. That's all, children. Now coming to the next number, 28. What are the factors for 28? 1 is the least.
And 1.
Then even number, it is even number. Yes, by looking at last digit, it is even number.
Yes.
So 2 is a factor. Then 3 table 28 won't come, so no need to write 3. And 4, yes.
And 4 it will come.
Yes. 5 table end digit should be
No, ma'am.
No.
It will be 5 or the 0, not
yes.
when numbers are odd numbers.
6 table.
No,
No.
6 table. No, ma'am.
7 table.
Yes, ma'am. But we took already 4, no, ma'am.
Yes, 7. 7 how many times? 7 4s are 20.
10 4s are.
Right. 7 is divisible. Then 8, no. 9, no. 10, no. 11, no. 12. 12 2 times 28, half of the number we are getting. Then highest one is 28 only you will get, children. Directly you can write. Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
how we will get 28 in 12, ma'am?
Any number having factor 1 and number itself, right?
Oh.
28, 1 into 28. 1 and 28. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, what are common factors? According to the question, what are common factors, children? You see,
It's 1 to 4. It's 1 to 4.
Ma'am, 1 to 4.
1 is common in 20 and 28. 2
Yes,
is common.
ma'am. 2 also, 4 also.
4 also common. Now, what are common factors?
Ma'am, 1 to 4.
Ma'am, HCF is 4.
HCF is 4, ma'am.
HCF anyway.
And LCM is 1.
No need. They are asking about common factor. In that common factor, which is the highest? Highest means largest.
And 4.
Highest common.
HCF, ma'am.
Yes. Highest common factor.
Factor.
Or what is the other name?
Greatest common factor.
Greatest common divisor, Nana.
Ma'am, greatest common factor.
Greatest
Common factor.
Divisor.
Greatest common divisor.
Yes, ma'am. Latest
You can
common
check
divisor.
even 4 is the commonly divisible by the given numbers. So now you can write this is the among common factors, which is the highest, that is your HCF. HCF, we can write it as a short name or GCD also. Both are same, children. Don't confuse. Sometimes they are going to ask like a
How to? Ma'am, I didn't understand, ma'am. How to find SCF?
find HCF, find GCD. Both is same.
Ma'am, I didn't understand how to find SCF.
Ma'am, I learned this in 3rd class only.
How to, Nana, please tell Om, how you supposed to get common factors is a doubt for you?
I'm telling, I didn't understand how to find SCF.
Factors. Yes. How to find LCM you're asking?
HCF, SCF,
HCF means highest common. What are common factors? 1, 2, 4. In this 1, 2, 4, which is the highest number? Which is the largest number?
4.
That's why it is HCF was 4.
Okay.
Okay? Okay, right. Next, coming to the question 15 and 25, children. 15, no need to hurry, children. Please do the sums very cool and pleasantly, because these are basic things you need to learn very thoroughly. Now, second,
In this, do we also have LCH, like least common factor?
device, LC, LCM
we have SCF and LCM we have. So I'm asking, do we also have LCF in this?
LCF,
Least,
no. Least common multiple, Nana, it's not factor.
Yes, ma'am. Not factor.
only we have least common multiple, not factor,
Yes,
right?
yes, exactly. Good. There is a relation between LCM and HCF also. We will discuss that part also, children.
Yes, ma'am, there's a relation.
Coming to the question number B in the first 15 and 25. Now I'm going to call my one child in my class. Let me call the student right now who are there first. I'm going with the students who are talking less in the class. Yes. Hariharan. Hariharan, are you there? Hariharan?
Ma'am?
Yes. Hariharan, what are the factors of 15, Hariharan?
Ma'am, 1, ma'am.
1 is 1 and 15. Very good. You know, well, first one and last one. In between.
Ma'am, 1, 3.
Very good. 3.
5.
5.
That's all.
That's all. Then 15. Very good. Next. Karthik.
1, ma'am.
Karthik Verma.
Yes, ma'am.
Karthik, what are the factors of 25, Nana?
Ma'am, 1, 5,
Very good.
and 25.
Very good. Yes, that's all. Only 3 factors we have. Here we have 4 factors. Now, Varshit Krishna.
Yes, ma'am.
Varshit, here what are common factors, Varshit?
Ma'am, it's 1 and 5, ma'am.
1 is common in both the numbers. Even 5 is common in both the numbers. Now, Riyansh.
Yes, ma'am.
Common factors. What are the common factors we are getting here?
Ma'am, 1 and 5.
1 and 5. Which is the highest common factor?
5.
Very good. What is the another name for HCF? What is the other name for HCF? We too have different names. Our parents are calling some pet name in home. You have another name in school. Like that, HCF have 2 names. HCF or?
Ma'am, it is GC.
GCD.
GCD.
Greatest common divisor.
Don't forget, children. Please remember how we do have different 2 names like that. This part also having with 2 names. One is highest common factor or greatest common divisor. Or greatest common divisor. Like that, we need to find the common factors and HCF too. And coming to the next question number 30 and 35 and 35. Rishita, please. Rishita, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Rishita, what are factors for 35, Nana?
135 is 35.
1 and 35, very good. 1 and number itself, very good.
5 sevens are 35.
Yes, 5 and 7, 5 sevens are 35.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Only that's all?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Only that's all. Any other numbers you have? No. Next, coming to the next part, Sri, are you there, ma? Sri Hita.
Yes, ma'am.
Sri Hita, what are factors for 50, Nana?
Ma'am, 50, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
1.
And number itself, ma'am, 50.
Yes, number 50. Because 1 and number itself.
That was the answer.
Ma'am.
1 minute, and don't unmute everyone.
Ma'am, 2.
Yes, 2 and 25. Very good.
Ma'am, 5.
Very good. 5. Now, how many times? 5, 10 times?
Yes, ma'am. 5 times the 50.
Hmm.
Ma'am, 10. Ma'am, 10 5 are 50.
10 5s are 50, 5 10s are 50. Yes, done.
And 25, ma'am.
25. Very good. Now, you see, Sri, here, what are common factors, Nana?
Ma'am, common factors 1,
1,
5.
very
Ma'am, that's
good.
it, ma'am.
That's all?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Very good. You see, children, there are many factors, but only common factors, if you see, only 2. Number 1 is in 35 and 50, and 5 is in 35 and 50. Now, no other number, so you can write common factors. What is highest common factor in this?
Ma'am, 5.
5. Yes. What is the other name for highest common factor?
Ma'am, GCD.
What is the full form of GCD?
Greatest common divisor.
Greatest common divisor, ma'am.
Very good, Manu. Very good. These are the next question. Last question to my children. 56 and 120. My students, please put in your chat box. So I want factors for 56, factors for 120, and common factors for 56 and 120. Then highest common factor.
Ma'am, can you tell the numbers, ma'am?
56 and 120, Nana. 56 and 120. Come on, who are going to give first answer?
So, come again with the question.
And 120.
Huh?
56 and 120.
56 and 120.
Yes.
Ma'am, what should we find in them, ma'am?
Soumya, you need to find the factors of 56 and 120.
Okay, ma'am.
And you need to find the common factors of 56 and 120. Among common factors, which is the greatest common divisor or highest common factor also you're supposed to do.
Ma'am, I gave for factors of 56.
Yeah, please place everything, ma.
Ma'am, don't think
Advika, why too late to the class? Advika, why too late to the class? Yes.
Ma'am, 56 and what is the other number?
120, Nana. 56 and 120. $56 and 120. Last question is your target question. Please, everyone should answer. No one should not sit quietly. Advika,
Yes, ma'am.
why late to the class?
Ma'am, actually, I was having, means I was out.
Okay. Is it true?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Or else are you playing and forgetting about class? Which is true.
No, sometimes it has been
Happened. Okay. Now your question is factors for 56 and factors for 120 you should find out. Among them, common factors you should find. Not only common factors, you should find highest common factor. Highest common factor, we have other name, it is GCD, greatest common divisor. First factors of 56.
Ma'am, I gave factors for 56 and factors for 120.
Very good, very good. Please give.
Ma'am, I will give now common factors of 56
yeah.
and 120. Ma'am, 1
Please,
minute.
no, no.
So may have sent you all the common factors, highest common factor, and the factor.
Ma'am, ma'am, we should give highest common factor also.
No, yes, you should give all.
Okay,
First
ma'am. 1 minute,
factors
ma'am.
of 56.
1 minute.
And so may have sent you. Have you checked it?
Very good, very good. First 3 correct answers was appreciable thing because these are little bigger numbers I gave. How to find bigger numbers too? You know divisibility rules, right, children?
Yes, ma'am.
So 1 is divisible. Yes, 1 and
Yes,
half.
ma'am.
Directly you
And
can
2
write.
also.
Next 2 and half.
Ma'am, I sent the factors, common factors and the HF, ma'am.
And I have give factors for 56 and 120 and common factors and GCD, ma'am.
Okay, is it divisible with the 3 table, Lana? No.
Sent you, ma'am. I have sent you.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
4.
it is A. Ma'am, I have sent you.
Ma'am,
Okay,
it will be
okay.
4
Ma'am, this is A.
and
Ma'am, I have
7.
sent you.
7.
How many times?
Ma'am,
For how many times?
7 is the 56.
For 14 times 56. Then 5 table, no. 6 table, no. 7 table.
Ma'am, 7 table.
Yes, so 7 and
7 and 8.
very good. That's all, Nana. These are the factors. How many of you got these all factors, please?
Ma'am, I got. Ma'am,
Ma'am, I got.
Ma'am, I got.
Very good.
Ma'am, I got.
Next 120, Nana.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12, 15, 20, 24,
1, 2,
30,
3,
40, 60, and 120.
5, 6.
Ma'am, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 12, 15, 20.
Orderly you are getting, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right?
Yes,
8.
ma'am.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
8,
8,
ma'am. Now 8.
8.
10,
10,
12,
3 odd numbers. No,
15,
even numbers. 8, 10,
15,
12,
20,
and 15, ma'am. 15.
15,
1, 5, 15.
then 20, 20, 20,
20,
46, 120.
24, 30,
24,
40,
30,
60, and
Even
120.
8, 16 table
24,
also
30.
we can. No,
And 24.
listen, Nana. You just one technique already given by Advika one day. If 2 are happening means what is
Ma'am, 60 and 120.
Yeah, ma'am. 60 and 120 also will come.
Because 120
No,
half is
24,
is 60.
30,
20, 24, 30,
20,
24, 30, 40.
After 60 and 20, ma'am.
that's why you are missing in the middle. 24
And they are
is
missing 3
24.
numbers, ma'am. 24, 30, 40.
30, 40, 60.
Ah,
30,
yes,
40,
ma'am.
60.
Ma'am, after 24,
1
30,
minute, 1 minute,
40,
Advika.
after that is
Wait, Nana. Wait, children. Advika, can you give easiest method? They got a little, some are thinking little more. How you will get all the factors with easiest technique?
We know for smaller number, but for bigger number like 120 only. Like 120 half is 60.
Very good.
That's the second half. 60 half 30.
30.
30 half 15.
Yes.
But for other numbers like 20, even we know
Yes, very
that
good.
120
And
is also
common factors are 1, 2, 4,
Even
8.
6
That is
we
the
know.
same trick, ma'am.
2 and 3 and 4 rule will true means 12 rule is also true. Now
Ma'am,
what are common
1, 2, 4,
factors?
8.
What are common factors?
Ma'am, 1, 2, 4, 8. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the greatest common divisor is 8. 8.
Very
Ma'am, I
good.
have sent you in the chat
SCF
box.
is 8, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Let me see
SCF
how
is
many
8.
of you correct given answers.
Ma'am,
Let
please
me-
check my answers, ma'am. I have given
Ma'am,
all.
I gave all correct answers.
One minute. Let me. Vinil Bhargav was given all factors for 56 first. Then Om was given right. Om. Then Hariharan was given. Then Vinil once again for 120 he gave all correct. And Sri was given all together. Very good. Sri Goda was given everything at a time. 8 she got. Good. And Soumya 2 got very good.
I also gave all at a time, ma'am.
Next, Hariharan also given 120 factors correctly. Then common factors given by Vinil Bhargav. Very good, Vinil. And Advika was given 56 as HCF. So sorry, how you are getting 56 as a HCF, my dear? Hello, Advika.
Yes, ma'am, I had given for first because I thought that highest common factor. So I thought that the highest common factor is 56. So I wrote.
Now Vinil Om was given 120 factors correctly. GCD is very good. Vinil Bhargav used the other name for HCF. He used GCD word. Very good. Vinil got 8. Very good. Then Kaushik, Vashit Krishna got correct all together. He sent very good. And the common factors, Om was given 1, 2, 4, 8 and HCF is 8. Very good. Om Hariharan 2. Good. Excellent. Other Rishita was given here 1, 2, 8. And one thing is missing, Rishita. 4 was missing. In your common factors, 4 was missing. Rishita, please
Yes,
check.
ma'am.
Please check. 4 was missing in your common factors. Very good. Good, Nana. Next one. Where is Vedant is not giving answer? Why? Vedant and Riyansh, Soumya.
Ma'am, I gave right, ma'am.
Vedant is given.
No, ma'am, Soumya, I gave you.
No, Vedant is not responding. Riyansh is not responding.
Ma'am, I'm giving, ma'am.
Karthik Verma.
Yes,
please.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
got-
please. Yes. Did you send children?
No, ma'am. I was trying to send, but it was too late, so I just deleted the message.
Okay, right. Children, please, if some work was given, everyone should respond because I'm working for you means you are big, right? It's no use. Very good. Riyansh gave common factors. Riyansh, 7 is.
I'm sorry, ma'am. I sent by mistake.
Okay. And yes.
Ma'am, will be play quiz today, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, because yesterday also did not happen this. Ma'am,
You will take an extra class for 30 minutes, ma'am. Ma'am, in last class you said that you will take an extra class for 30 minutes because last class you took only 30 minutes. Ma'am, I got one more trick for finding it.
Ma'am, are we playing quiz now?
Ma'am, I got one more
Please wait. We are not going with quizzes. We are going with a few more questions practice. Then we can go with quizzes. Okay. Last 10 minutes, more 10 minutes.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
More 10 minutes we will
Okay,
do.
ma'am.
Find common factors. No, just before we
When
did that.
will you take that extra 30 minutes class, ma'am? Because last class you took
Yeah,
30.
I will surely take because other day some exams are having, means I cannot use one complete hour. We will try to give that part too.
Yes, ma'am. Science sir is also taking this class.
Yeah, I will also take that class.
Ma'am, once English sir took the class at 4 o'clock, ma'am. Last week Friday he took a compensated class on 4 o'clock.
No, other day also science class I was taken. That's why anyway I will take that compensation class. So don't worry. Now come to the next question. Just before we discussed about through two numbers, how to find common factors. It should be extended for three numbers to children. You see the question number 2 here. Find common factors of 4, 8 and 12. There are three
Very
numbers.
easy,
Same procedure, children. 1 and the number itself is a
4.
common factor. Half of this just
Ma'am, 1, 2.
and here 1 and 8.
Ma'am, 1, 2 and 4.
Ma'am, 1, 2, 4, 8.
Next.
Ma'am, 1.
Advika technique is very easy, children. Remember, 1 and 12, 12 half means 6. 6 half means
3.
and 2 is anyway, you know very well. 2 is a factor.
And four also, ma'am.
4 also. Very good. 2 twice.
But by this technique,
4 also.
but by this technique, you can't get every number, ma'am.
Yeah,
Yes,
few
ma'am,
numbers
we
we
get
will
only
get.
some numbers.
Few numbers we will get from that. Whatever not covering, that we can do. Now, what are the common factors, Nana? Look at this.
Ma'am, common factors are 1, 2, 4.
1 is common in 4, 8, and
All numbers it will be common, ma'am. And 2 and 4, ma'am.
2 is
1,
common
2.
in every factor.
And 4.
4 is also common. Now, which
Yes.
is the common factors means you can write, Nana.
1, 2, 4.
1, 2, 4, and the SCF and
SCF
or
GCD is
GCD
4, ma'am. 4.
Right, Nana. Can you do the rest of us to the second bit as a work right now?
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute, ma'am.
Come on, children, please start doing 5, 15, 25. By looking only, you can answer like that much fast. You should be.
5.
Ma'am, I think it's 1 and 5.
Okay, I got my internet now. Okay, Vedanta, come on, Vedanta, come on, continue.
Yes, thank you.
Ma'am, can you tell the
I've
question
sent
number again,
Ma'am,
ma'am?
I gave for 5 factors for 5, ma'am. I'm sending.
Okay, you can send. Don't worry about your answer.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am, when did you, ma'am, what is the question number, ma'am? I could not hear
Question
it
number
from
B, Nana. The second question. You see the question number is second.
Question, okay, ma'am. I have sent you the first bit, ma'am. Second question, B, ma'am. Can you show the question?
This is the question.
Okay. One.
Advika.
I got one more trick for that.
Yes, Advika, please.
For finding it for
Yeah, come on. You tell this in these numbers of 5, 15, and 25. Your trick.
yes, ma'am. Now you
Ma'am, I sent.
Yes, Advika.
Send for 5 and 15, ma'am.
1 minute, 1 minute. Advika, continue.
I have taken the same number as 120
Okay.
minus half is 60.
Okay.
Now again do the same. So it's 60 minus half is 30. Then if you know the rules, then we can do it. Means for small numbers.
Okay, that is the way you are finding. Very good. Okay, right, Advika.
Ma'am, I gave.
Yes, children, were 5 and 1 and 5 because it is prime number. You have only 1, 3, 5, 15, and 25 is.
Ma'am, I gave for all.
1, 5.
I gave for all number factors.
No.
Ma'am, I will give.
Okay, then what are common factors?
Ma'am, common factors, ma'am. 1, 5.
Yes.
1, 5, ma'am.
1, 5. Yes. What are common factors means 1 and 5. What is highest common factor?
Ma'am, 5.
That's all children.
From GCD and SCF is
Same.
5.
Yes, very good. GCD or HCF. Because sometimes you know HCF, the word GCD, if you don't know, you may lose, you are unable to do what I should do, like that you can get a doubt. So GCD is very same as HCF, highest common factor, greatest common divisor, both are the same. Very good. I got answers from my students. Sri is given correct and Rishita was given correct. Vinil,
It's correct, ma'am. So I didn't give the question.
Okay, right. Very good. Next.
Color I have sent you, ma'am.
Ma'am, I gave HCF.
Third question is more simple, children. Common multiple.
Yes, ma'am. Very
Just
common.
before we are discussing about factors, common factors, and now we are going with question number 3, common multiples, Nana. What are common multiples?
Ma'am, these all I learned.
Like, for 6, 6, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, like
Yes,
that.
Oh,
yes,
ma'am, we should write just 3 multiples.
Yes, first you
Like
will-
6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18. That's it, ma'am.
that is also one trick is there, children. Common trick is there. I will let you know. Just listen quietly so that you can understood more better. You can do more faster too. Listen seriously. Catch the trick point. What I'm teaching. Now, third question. You see, find the 3 common multiples of 6 and 8. Multiples of 6, you know very well. 6, 12, 20, 18. 24 and so on. What are multiples of 8, Nana?
8, 16, 24,
8, 16, 24, 32,
32, 40, 40.
40,
I
48.
don't want many because one I got means my trick was I am going to reveal my trick. Suppose
Ma'am, double of 8, double 16, 16 double 24.
no, listen,
Like that also
no,
is
listen. What is my common multiple? First common multiple?
24.
Ma'am, I understood the trick, ma'am. 24 twos is the next common multiple.
Very good. What is the common multiple?
Ma'am, 24.
First
24.
common multiple.
Ma'am, the
is
next is
24.
24 twos are 48.
Next
Yeah.
multiples, if you want, the next common factor means just 24 table, Nana. Quickly, you have 24 is first common.
Ma'am, 24 twos are 48.
48, ma'am.
48.
Ma'am, 20 into
24 ones are 24, 24 twos are
Yes.
48.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
24 plus 24 also we can count like that.
Yeah, like that also you can count. Next, Nana, 48 plus 24.
48 plus
58,
20.
How can we first common multiple?
72.
Is
Nana, first,
72.
how can?
Ma'am, 24 ones are
Ma'am,
24, 24
ma'am,
48,
how can 24 be the
24,
wait? Wait and
You
wait.
see.
144.
1 minute, children, please mute yourself.
Why are we taking 24 as the first common multiple?
You see, 6 here, but 6 is not there here.
Ma'am.
12 is there, but 12 is not there here. 18 is there here, but 18 is not there. Here 24 is there, here 24 is there. Which is first common? Which is first common in 6 and 8?
24. 24 into 1, 24 into 2, 48. 48 into 2, 72. 72 into 2.
Like that, if they're asking 10 common multiples also, you can find, children. Easy technique. No need of writing continuously till 20 common multiples you will get. Only first common multiple if you are getting, then you can write the multiple of that 24. 24 plus 24 is 48. 48 plus 24 is 72. Like that.
Ma'am, and 72 into 2 is 144.
All the common multiples you will get like that. Hope you understood, children. Any doubt in?
No doubts, ma'am.
Children, please, here you go with the next.
Ma'am, we already learned this in
You
Right.
Will you take a quiz now?
now I want 12 and 18 fact common multiples now.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, he will tell, ma'am.
Yeah, please.
1 minute.
Can I say, Mama, Vedant?
Vedanta 12.
I'm 12,
Ma'am, 12, 24.
Can I say for 18?
Wait, children, please wait. Vedant for 12, Karthik Verma for 18. 12.
Yeah, 12, 1, 12, 12,
18.
Okay.
12, 1, 12, 12, 2, 24, 12, 3, 36, 12, 4, 48, 12, 5, 60, 12, 6, 72, 12, 7,
Okay, then 18. 1 is enough, Nana. 1 if you know, you no need of going everything. Yes. Karthik? Karthik.
Ma'am, 18 ones are 18, 18 twos are 32, 36, sorry ma'am, 36, and 18 threes are 54,
Very good.
18 fours are 18 fours are
72.
72.
Now you see, Karthik, here what you will have common factor.Vom, please, Vom, respond.
36.
Vom,
Yes, ma'am.
what
Yes,
is
ma'am.
common factor in this?
Common factor.
Common, sorry, common multiple,
36.
not factor, Nana. Common multiple. What is common multiple here?
Can I?
36.
36.
Yes. Which is the least common multiple? That's why common multiple, one common multiple you are getting. Now I want to
Multiple,
get common multiples means 36. What are common multiples? 36
Ma'am,
plus 36.
36.
Ma'am, 36.
72.
72
36,
next.
72.
Yes, ma'am, 72.
70 22. 70 22.
108. 108, ma'am.
Which is the least common multiple? Least means
Least means 36. 36.
36. Like
Highest common.
no highest common. Least only we can find.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Correct.
There are multiples, infinite number of multiples. From that least common multiple we can get easily, children.
30.
This is the different ways of finding.
Ma'am, so the least common multiple is 36, right, ma'am? So in 36 table, whichever multiples will come, those will be common factors, ma'am.
What is the question, Vashi?
No, ma'am, for this question 12 and 18, you got the LCM as 36, right, ma'am?
Yes, Nana.
Ma'am, so in 36 table, whichever multiple will come, it will be the common multiple of them. For example, 36 into 100, the number which will come will be a common factor of those numbers.
Yes, that's all, Nana. Multiples, there are many multiples. In that, which is the least common multiple? First multiple only, the first common multiple only, the least common multiple.
Okay, ma'am.
If you have doubt also, you can recheck like that. These are the only ways, Nana, finding. If you have a doubt, these two will commonly go with 2 6 or 2 9s. The 6 and 9 will go in 3 table, 3 2s or 3 3s. Now you can make as a product of every number. You check it, 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 6 6 are 36 is the LCM. Right, like that also you can recheck whether you are doing. This is only common multiples I'm writing, but there are many ways to find, easiest ways to find. Good. Yes, any doubt? Karthik?
No, ma'am.
Yes, now there are 3 numbers given, children. 2 numbers, how we are doing the same method you can extend for 3 numbers too. You see the question number 3 here.
Ma'am, can we play?
Write all the numbers less than 100 whose common multiple is 3 and 4. This is your homework part, children. You need to check which of the following numbers are 4 primes. 4, 5, and a number is divisible by both 5 and 12. By what other number can be always divisible? Okay. And the number is divisible by 12. What should be divisible? Okay. Today I will give the homework from this worksheet only. You can complete 4, 5, 6, 7, and even 3.5. Which of the following statements are true?
Ma'am, it's
Remember-
divisibility rule only, right, ma'am? We can
divisibility rules only, children. You can use and try it. That's about the class. And
Ma'am, this is in the textbook, right, ma'am?
no, this is from our material, no?
Yes,
Chanakya
ma'am.
material.
Material only, that material.
Yeah, our Chanakya material.
I have that material ready with me right
Yes,
now.
ma'am. Even I have that material.
Okay.
Even I have the books.
Shall I stop share, children, so
Yes,
that
ma'am.
we can go with a small quiz?